Hello YouTube. Today I have some leftover cuttlefish that I forgot to eat. So we're gonna be making some hot Chinese mustard sauce. And yeah, I'm just gonna do it right now. I'd say for this recipe you don't it's nothing too complicated, and all you really need is white pepper, mustard, rice vinegar, oil, and then hot water. I've been making tea all night, so I have hot water next to me. And yeah, you just kind of just meld those beauties together. All right. So I'm Jank, and I don't have a nice setup in the kitchen, so we're just gonna do this at my table. Who needs kitchens? All right. I'm just gonna estimate it's about a tablespoon of yellow mustard, like dry powdered mustard. I can do that. I'm just estimating. So at the end of the day, as long as the food goes into your body and nourishes you, makes you happy, who the hell cares about measurements? Unless you're baking. Here's white pepper. Here's the label that oh. Here's the label that came with the jars, and then that's the label maker one over there. Yeah, I have roughly a tablespoon of white pepper, of yellow mustard. We're gonna add an eighth of a teaspoon of white pepper. We're gonna add, where's my salt out there? Add an eighth of a teaspoon of salt. So it's kind of a dash of salt. And so these are all dry ingredients. Okay, we're gonna add the water. And you just kind of want to aim. Remember to make it hot water. I'm just gonna aim for trying to get this to a good paste here. I'm doing this at my desk, and I stream, and all my equipment is on the right side of me. So the camera, the nice camera that I have to do stuff with, has to be on the left side. Things are just gonna be in the. He's okay. You guys gotta deal with it. The habit of the day is taste your sauces as you go, which is what I'm gonna do right now. Oh, I have toothpicks. Oh, I have toothpicks. It doesn't have that much heat. So I would like to add more white pepper. I also think it's a little too grainy, so I'm gonna add more water here, hot water. I don't like the little off. And then after that, you just add your oil. The oil you should have about like a half teaspoon, and then we add a little bit of rice vinegar. This is optional, the rice vinegar. I'm just adding it because I like the balance that it brings. Aim for a half teaspoon of that as well. So I think the second time I added the water, I added a little too much water, and it looks like the consistency is a little too liquidy for me. But I think what's important is how it tastes, to make sure there's no clumps. Yeah, so there we have some hot yellow mustard. Taste this. Oh no. Let me taste the restaurant style hot yellow mustard. I want to I want this. I want to get this right. I also think I add a little too much salt, so we're gonna add a little bit more mustard here. With sauces, you kind of just keep going back and forth. If you end up with too much of one flavor, you just kind of add more of the other ones to kind of help balance it out. And you just taste as you go. Taste is so subjective. So people have tried to make it an objective thing. Everyone's tastes are very different. And that's why you follow renowned chefs or people who've been in the industry for a while to kind of understand uh oh, what do I want to add more of? It's very mustardy, which I do like. I want it to be even more mustardy somehow. I want this to burn the insides of my nose. And we're just gonna test it. I'm just gonna add more mustard. Because you know what? Fuck it. You know what? I'm gonna add more white pepper too. I like my mustard. I like my hot mustard spicy. I want this to kick me in the balls. That's what I want this to. So please, mustard. Please kick me in the balls. Okay, that's a lot of white pepper. But I don't know. I think I messed up. The thing with messing up with food too, if you mess up, you just have to eat it, and no one will ever know you messed it up. You just ingest it. You're like, what? All right, taste this. It's not bad. Oh, it's spicy. Got some heat. I like that. All right, I want to try a little bit more vinegar because I really am curious what adding more vinegar to this will taste like. And after that, we're done. This is how you make Chinese hot mustard. Now, whether it's restaurant status is another question. But for the purposes of me snacking on random dim sums or random, in this case, cuttlefish, this works. All right. And that's it. That's it. That's how you make it. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys got something out of this. This is pretty fun. I will be doing more food stuff in the very near future. And yeah, guys, like, subscribe. I appreciate that. Or better yet, put in the comment section if there's something that you want to see me make. Or even better yet, go to my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/kkebabs. You can just tell me there. Come say hi. That'd be sick. Yeah. I don't know. What else is there? Here's a video of me eating, because I don't really have an outro. I'm trying to make an outro song. I'll do it eventually. Okay. Bye. Bye.